Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the BlackWidow Tournament Edition from Razer. This is a mechanical keyboard that uses Cherry MX blue switches. So let's have a look at the box. So as you can see from the box, this uses a 10 keyless design, which means that it hasn't got the number pad on the end. So for some gamers this isn't very useful, as it just takes up space. So what Razer is saying about this product is it's space saving and portability. Well, increases portability because it's not as big. Now, with it being the tournament edition, they're expecting you to take it to tournaments at places, so this is really handy, to be honest. So full mechanical keys, all the keys on the keyboard are mechanical, Cherry MX blues, and a 10 key anti-ghosting, which is the N key roller over, isn't it? So we'll have a look at the side and then we'll go into the back. So as you can see, 1,000 Hz ultra polling, which means the response time of the keyboard will be quicker. On the fly macro recording. Now this is to do with the button here, and you do like FN and then that key and it'll start going, and you can set your macros, or I think you can do it in the Razer Synapse, the software they use. Let's have a look. So you got your anti-ghosting again and detachable USB cable. So we'll have a quick look at the back and then we'll get into the box. Yeah, programmable keys, detached braided USB cable, game mode action, which deactivates the Windows key, so you don't press it by accident if you're like crouching or something. And I think that's it. So we'll just get inside the box. So as you can see, it's normal Razer packaging with the bright green inside and black outside. I'll leave that over that. So you've got a really nice, well, it's just a cardboard box with the Razer logo on that says "For Gamers by Gamers." So we'll go ahead and open up the box. So this is, I don't think it actually says it on the box, but this is the carrying pouch that you get. Yeah, sleeve for protection, but it's in really small print on the bottom of the box. So this is the sleeve. This is the very nice sort of velour bag that you get with it. So if you lift this up now, and we'll go on to the accessories first before we go on the keyboard. So this is the Razer manuals and stuff. For Gamers by Gamers. So we'll open this up and show you. Now it's just the normal Razer stuff, I think. So you get your congratulations on purchasing this thing, Razer thing. A little leaflet about Synapse 2, the software that you can use for cloud storing your games. Well, like your macro saves, and on your mouse DPI settings and stuff like that. This is your quick start guide, so this will tell you about what all the FN keys do, what all the FN keys do, what the package must contain, system requirements, and how to install it and that stuff. So, this is the master guide for Uber masters that can read in all languages. Anyway, I think that's got some Synapse 2 stuff in as well. Yeah, so that's got some Synapse stuff in it. And of course your Razer stickers. We'll put that to a side and have a look at the bag. Now looking at other reviews, I thought the bag would have been a little more quality, but it's not too bad, I suppose. I mean, it is a free bag. You can hear the blue switches there clicking away.
Sounds sexy.
So we got Velcro on the top, and then here's your braided cable. So it's just got gold plated USB, and it's got a little Velcro cable tidy, and that just sits in the top of the bag. And then we get onto the keyboard. So this is a very compact keyboard, as you can see. So yeah, on the front we got all the it's not backlit, it's just sort of printed. So you got your keyboard. This is the US version because I don't know why I haven't got a UK version, but I don't give a shit either. Shift, long shift, and then your backspace is here. No, backspace. Backslash. And your @ signs there. I mean, it's not much different, but depends what you like. So you got your a little light up Razer logo here on the front, and the whole front is yeah, as you can see. And then onto the back, you got your there's your USB connector. So you got it's a matte finish all along, all over, apart from this glossy bit here and here. Let's have a look at the back. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rubber feet and a sticker which tells you all your shit. And of course, just 12 feet. Just click into place like that. So, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Razer BlackWidow Tournament Edition. Don't forget to subscribe, and please leave a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching.